फ्रेंड्स, लास्ट लेक्चर में આપણે एक्सरसाइज 15.2 એના ફર્સ્ટ 5 સમ કમ્પ્લીટ કર્યા હતા એન્ડ સમ ક્વેશ્ચન ફોર જીમે ઇન 2019. નાઉ exercise 15.2 question number 6, find the mean and standard deviation using shortcut method. shortcut method मतलब જે ડીઆઈ વાળી ફોર્મ્યુલા છે એનો ડીઆઈ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ્સ ટુ એક્સઆઈ માઇનસ એ યુઝ કરીને ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું એની શોર્ટકટ મેથડ થાય. સો હિયર ગિવન ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન એક્સઆઈ 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67 and 68, and frequency 2, 1, 12, 29, 25, 12, 10, 4, 5. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 9, 14, plus 5, 19, plus 2, 21, plus 9, 0, 30, 3. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8, plus 2, 10, 100. So n equals to 100. Now, suppose here 64 is a assumed mean. Suppose. So, di equals to xi minus a. Now 60 minus 64 minus 4, 61 minus 60 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now di square 16, 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. Now next column is fi di. So here fi di 2 into minus 4 minus 8, 1 into minus 3 minus 3, 12 into minus 2 minus 24, 29 into minus 1 minus 29, 0 into 25 0, 12 into 1 12, 10 into 2 22, 4 into 3 12 and 5 into 4 20. So sigma fi di. 9 plus 4 13 plus 8 21 plus 3 4, 2 plus 2 plus 2 6 minus 64. અહીંયા બી એડિશન તમે જુઓ 2 2 6 2 plus 2 plus 2 અહીંયા ભૂલ થઈ ગઈ 10 into 2 20. So plus 64, then sigma fi di is a 0. Now fi di square 2 into 16 32, 1 into 9 9, 12 into 4 48, 29 into 1 29, 0 is 0, 12 into 1 12, 10 into 4 40, 4 into 9 36, and 5 into 16 80. So sigma fi di square 11, 19, 28, 30, 6, 6 plus 4 10 plus 2 12, 13, 17, 20, 28, 286. Now find out mean and standard deviation. So first of all, mean x bar equals to a plus sigma fi di upon n. A is a 64 and sigma fi di is a 0. 0 divided by 100. So finally answer mean is a 64. And now standard deviation. So standard deviation equals to sigma fi di square minus sigma fi di upon n whole square. Standard deviation square root sigma fi di square upon n minus sigma fi di upon n whole square. So sigma fi di square is a 286 divided by 100 and minus sigma fi di is a 0. 0 divided by 100 is a 0. So square root 2.86. So finally answer. Standard deviation is 1.69 and mean is 64. Now, next question number 7 and 8. બે ક્વેશ્ચન સેમ છે. 7 તમને કમ્પ્લીટ કરીએ આપણે અને 8 તમે હોમવર્કમાં કમ્પ્લીટ કરશો. Find the mean and variance of the following distribution. Here question is a continuous frequency distribution. So first class 0 to 30, 30 to 60, 60 to 90, 90 to 120, 120 to 150, 150 to 180 and 180 to 210. Now frequency 2, 3, 5, 10, 3, 5, 2. Total sigma Fi 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 10 20, 30. Now here mid value xi. So 0 plus 30 divided by 2 15, 60 plus 30 divided by 2 45. So 30 no difference है 30 38 करता जाए 75, 105, 135, 165 and 195. So here assumed mean is 105 and now here di equals to xi minus a upon c. So continuous frequency distribution. So first is a 0, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, then 1, 2, 3. And now di square 9410149. Now Fi di and last is Fi di square. So Fi di 2 3s are minus 6, again minus 6, minus 5, 0, 3, 10 and 2 3s are 6. So sigma Fi di minus 17 and plus 19. So sigma Fi di is a 2 and Fi di square 2 into 9 18, 3 into 4 12, 5 into 1 5, 0, 3 into 1 3, 5 into 4 20 and 2 into 9 80. So sigma Fi di square 30 plus 35 20 55 58 plus 18 76. Now here also find out mean. So mean equals to a plus sigma Fi di upon n multiply by c, class length. So here given observation 105, assumed mean is a 105, Fi di is a 2, divided by 30 and class length is also 30. So 30 30 cancel di jaya, then 105 plus 2 equals to 107. So mean is a 107. And now variance equals to sigma Fi di square upon n minus sigma Fi di upon n all square and multiply by class length square. So here sigma Fi di is 76 divided by 30 minus sigma Fi di 2 divided by 30 all square and class length is also 30, so 30 square. Now here LCM is a 30 square, so multiply by 30, 76 into 30 minus 4 into 30 square. The 30 square cut thiya. So 0, 6 3s are 18 and 27 3s are 21, 22 minus 4. So 2276. So variance is a 2276. Now same question homework ma complete karwano the question number 8. So here question number 8 given data is a class 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. And frequency 5, 8, 15, 16 and 6. અહીંયા બી ક્વેશ્ચનમાં તમારે મીન અને વેરિયન્સ જ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો છે. સેમ ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 7 રિલેટેડ. નાઉ ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 9. ફાઇન્ડ મીન, variance and standard deviation using shortcut method. Again same question for question number 7 and 8. Here given class 70 to 75, 80, 80 to 85, 85 to 90, 90 to 95, 95 to 100, 100 to 105, 105 to 110 and 110 to 115. Now frequency 3, 4, 7, 7, 15, 9, 6, 6, 3. So total sigma Fi is a 60. And now mid value Xi is a 72.5. 77 plus 5, 82.5, 87.5, 92.5, 97.5, 102.5, 107.5 and 112.5. Now next column is a di equals to xi minus a upon c. So here assumed mean 92.5. So here 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now di square 16, 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. Then Fi di and last is a Fi di square. So here Fi di is a minus 12. 4 3s are also minus 12. 7 2s are minus 14. 7 1s are minus 7. 15 0. 9 into 1. 6 into 2 12. 6 into 3 18. And 3 into 4 12. So sigma Fi di minus 24, minus 38, minus 7, minus 45, 30, 42, 51. So sigma Fi di is a 6. Now Fi di square 16 3s are 48, 4 9s are 36, 7 4s are 28, 7 0, 9 1s are 9, 6 4s are 24, 6 into 9 54 and 3 into 16 48. So Fi di square 8 plus 6 14 plus 8 22 plus 7 29 plus 9 38 42 46 and 54. 5 plus 3 4, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 2, 16 plus 5, 21 plus 5, 25. So first find out mean. So mean x bar equals to a plus sigma Fi di upon n into c. Here assumed mean 92.5, Fi di is 6. Give our observation, total sigma Fi 60 and class length is 5. Here 10 and 5 2s are 10. So 92.5 plus 1 by 2.5. So 93. So mean is 93. Then variance. Variance sigma square equals to sigma Fi di square upon n minus sigma Fi di upon n whole square and multiply by c square. So 254 divided by 60 and sigma Fi di is 6 divided by 60 whole square and multiply by 5 square. Class length is 5. So here LCM is 60 square matlab 60 into 60. So 254 into 60 minus 6 square 36 into 25. 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 32 and 6 2s are, so 15240 minus 36 divided by 36 into 100 and multiply by 25. So 25 4s are, so 1520 minus 36, so 15204 divided by 114. So 1204 divided by 114, so 105.52. 105.52. This is the variance. And now standard deviation. So standard deviation is a square root of variance. So 105.52. So 10.27. Standard deviation is a 10.27. Now again some question for GMAT 2018 and 19. Our data consists of n observation x1, x2 up to xn. As sigma I equals to 1 to n, xi plus 1 whole square equals to 9n. So xi plus 1 whole square expansion, first term square 2 into first into last plus last term square 1 equals to 9n. And now all terms multiply by sigma. So sigma xi square plus 2 is a constant, then 2 into sigma xi plus sigma 1. And here observation is a 1 to n. 1 to n. I equals to 1 to equals to 9n. So sigma xi square plus 2 into sigma xi plus sigma 1. मतलब 1 1 1 1 n times. So answer is a n. Suppose I goes to 1 to 10, then 1 1 1 10 times. So answer is a 10. Goes to 9n. So sigma xi square plus 2 sigma xi equals to 9 minus n. 9n minus n equals to 8n. This is the first equation. And now second term is I equals to 1 to n. xi minus 1 whole square equals to 5n. Same again, I goes to 1 to n, xi square minus 2xi plus 1 equals to 5n. Now sigma xi square minus 2 into sigma xi plus sigma 1. And here also sigma 1 is a n times. So plus n equals to 5n. So sigma xi square minus 2 sigma xi equals to 4n. This is the second equation. Now adding equation 1 and 2, then 2 sigma xi plus and 2 sigma xi minus kapadiya. So adding equation 1 and 2, and we get sigma xi square plus sigma xi square 2 sigma xi square 8n plus 4n 12n. So sigma xi square equals to 6n. And sigma xi square की value equation 1 में put up करो. Putting equation 1. So 6n plus 2 sigma xi equals to 8n. So 2 sigma xi equals to 8n minus 6n. 2 sigma xi equals to 2n. So sigma xi equals to n. And now find out standard deviation of n observation. So SD equals to square root of sigma xi square minus n upon sigma xi upon n whole square. So sigma xi square we find 6n. Number of observation is n. Sigma xi find n divided by n whole square. n cut here, then root 6 minus n cut, then 1 square 1. So square root 5. The standard deviation is a square root 5. Now, next question. If sigma I equals to 1 to 9, here limited observation 1 to 9. xi minus 5 equals to 9. And I 1 to 9 xi minus 5 whole square equals to 55. Then the standard deviation of 9 items. Now, here xi minus 5 and also here xi minus 5 whole square. So, this is the standard deviation is independent of change of origin. मतलब for example given observation x1, x2, x8. Now, if second question, if I goes to 1 to n sigma xi minus 5 equals to 9 and xi minus 5 whole square equals to 45, then the standard deviation of 9 items up to x1, x2 up to x9. So here, not the standard deviation is independent of change of origin. मतलब suppose the given observation x1, x2 up to x8. Now adding 5 all observation. So x1 plus 5, x2 plus 5 up to x8 plus 5. Then standard deviation is not change. SD is not change. And also observation 5 is a subtract. Then x2 minus 5 up to x8 minus 5. Same similarly, standard deviation is not change. याद रखो बराबर है. Remember that कोई भी observation तमे add करो same observation, then standard deviation is not change. के subtract करो then standard deviation is not change. But कोई भी observation थी multiply करो, then suppose 5x1, 5x2, 5x3 up to 5x8, then standard deviation is a 5 into multiply by बराबर है old standard deviation is a new standard deviation is a 5 into multiply by old standard deviation. मतलब multiply by जे भी observation जे भी standard deviation, suppose here x1, x2, x3 up to x8 observation standard deviation is a 40, then multiply by each observation 5, then new standard deviation. So new standard deviation 5 into 40 equals to 200. Remember that. Now same similarly, suppose given observation is a 1 to 8, then each observation add value 5, then find out new mean. So new mean equals to, suppose given observation mean is a 30, so new mean is a 30 plus 5 equals to 35. So here same question. Suppose xi minus 5 equals to d. So xi minus 5 square equals to d square, di square. So sigma di 1 to 9 equals to 9 and sigma di square 1 to 9 equals to 45. Now standard deviation is a, so sigma di square upon n minus sigma di upon n whole square. Sigma di 45 observe 9 items minus sigma di 9 by 9 whole square. So 45 divided by 9 5, 5 minus 1 4, square root 4. So standard deviation is a 2. Now question number 3, the mean of set of 30 observation is a number of observation is a 30 and mean is a 75. Each observation is a multiply by non-zero number lambda. Each observation is multiplied by number lambda and decrease by 25. For example, here x bar equals to x1 plus x2 up to x30 divided by 30. Then x bar is a 75. So x1 plus x2 up to x30 divided by 30. So x1 plus x2 up to x30 equals to 75 into 30. And now each observation is a multiply by lambda. So new mean multiply by lambda. So lambda x1, lambda x2 up to lambda x30, and each observation multiply by lambda and decreased by 25. So minus 25 plus lambda x2 minus 25 up to lambda x30 minus 25 and divided by 30. So lambda વાળી જેટલી બી ટર્મ છે એમાંથી lambda common, then x1 plus x2 up to x30 and minus 25 30 times. So 25 into 30 and divide by 30. So lambda into x1 plus x2 up to x30 ની વેલ્યુ તમારી પાસે 75 into 30 and separate divide by 30 minus 25 into 30 divided by 30. And given data, their mean remains same, decreased by 25. Mean will be not changed. So new mean is also 75. So 75 equals to 30 cancel, then 75 lambda, 30 cancel minus 25, 75 plus 25, 75 lambda equals to 100. So lambda equals to 100 by 75. 25 4s are 25 3s are. So lambda equals to 4 by 3. So here given data, if each observation multiplied by lambda and decreased by 25, then mean remains same. Matlab mean will be not changed. So here mean is a 75. So new mean is also 75. Now question number 4. The sum of 100 observation and the sum of their square are 400 and 2475. Sum of 100 observation matlab n equals to 100. Sum of their square, so sigma xi and sigma xi square. Sigma xi is a 400 and sigma xi square 2475. And 3 observation 3 4 5 are found to be incorrect. Here total observation is 100 and 3 observation 3 4 5 is incorrect. So find the incorrect observation omitted. Matlab observation delete karna ko incorrect, then the variance of the remaining observation. So first find correct sigma xi. Correct sigma xi. So correct sigma xi 400 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. Incorrect observation એમાંથી subtract કરી દિયો. So 400 minus 12 388. Then also correct sigma xi square. So xi square 3 square 4 square 5 square. 2475 minus 9 minus 16 minus 25. So 2425. So this is the sigma xi square. Now correct sigma xi square and correct sigma xi. So correct variance equals to sigma xi square upon n minus sigma xi upon n whole square. So 2425 divided by, here observation is a 97. Why 97? So 3 incorrect observation is a subtract 100 minus 3. So 97. And 388 divided by 97 whole square. So 2425 divided by 97 25. And here 388 divided by 97 4 square 60 equals to 9. So variance is a 9. Now question number 5. If the standard deviation of number. So given observation is 2, 3a and 11. And standard deviation is 3.5. So first find out sigma xi. 2 plus 3 plus a plus 11. So 11 plus 3 plus 2, 16 plus a. And now sigma xi square, 4 plus 9 plus a square plus 121. So 134 plus a square, 121 plus 9, 130 plus 4, 134. And now standard deviation equals to square root sigma xi square upon n minus sigma xi upon n whole square. So your standard deviation is 3.5. And a square root cut kariye then 3.5 square. So sigma xi square 134 plus a square divided by given observation is 4 minus 16 plus a divided by 4 whole square. So 3.5, 12.5 square 25 and 3 for the 12.25. And here 16 is LCM. Then 134 plus a square multiply by 4 minus 16 plus a whole square, 256 first term square, 32a and last a square. So 12.25 multiplied by 16. 12.25 multiplied by 16 equals to 536 plus 4a square minus 256 plus 32a, sorry, minus 32a and minus a square. 4a square minus a square, 3a square minus 32a, then 536 minus 256, 0, 280 plus 280, then 12.25 into 16, 12.25 into 16, 196. So 3a square minus 32a plus 280 minus 196 equals to 0. So 3a square minus 32a plus 84 equals to 0. So correct. Which of the following is true? So correct option is 3a square minus 32a plus 84 equals to 0.